pin and aim at the base of the fire, then squeeze the handle. Federal regulations prohibit smoking on board this aircraft at all times. Please make sure your seat backs are in the upright position. The aircraft is equipped with survival gear, which is located in the rear belly pod, and the emergency locator transmitter is located behind the aft bulkhead. Thank you for flying with Highland Aviation.